Different Views of 3D Objects, Part 1. Today we will learn why objects appear different in shape and color when viewed from different sides.
Hello, Uncle.
Hello, Vandana.
Hello, Vandana. Hello, Neha. Look, Neha, what my papa got for me. What has he got? This looks like a pink-colored box. Look carefully, Neha. This is not a pink-colored box, but a yellow-colored clock. How can this be a clock? It has no hands at all. This is a pink-colored box only. No, Neha, look carefully.
Wait, Neha and Vandana. I understand why you are getting confused. I will help you. Vandana, you go to Neha's position, and Neha, you come to Vandana's position.
Okay. Wow, this clock is very beautiful.
Oh, good. You can see the clock now. Vandana, now you tell me, how does the clock appear to you?
I cannot see the clock. Instead of a clock, I can see a pink-colored box. This means the clock appears to you the same way it appeared to me, like a pink-colored box. Yes, and you can see the clock, like I was able to see from here. How is this happening? Papa, please explain.
Okay, Vandana, you also come here. Then I'll explain. We live in a 3D world. All the objects around us are 3D.
What is the meaning of 3D?
The meaning of 3D is three-dimensional.
I'm still not clear, Uncle.
This means that every object has 3 dimensions. Those are width, height, and depth.
Yes, we had learned this while learning about bricks. To measure bricks, we use 3 dimensions.
Yes, and because of these 3 dimensions, an object appears to be having different shapes when viewed from different sides. For example, when you look from the top, the clock looked like a rectangle. But when you saw from the front, you could see a clock.
Now I have understood a little.
Let me explain this to you with another example. See, I have a toy that is in the shape of a staircase. I will place this staircase on the table here. Now we will make a picture of it.
That will be fun. Let's start.
We will, but wait for a while. We will make this picture from different angles. I will make it from here. I can see this side. Vandana, you make it from here because you can see it from the front. And Neha, you make it from upstairs because you will then be able to see it from the top.
Okay.
I have completed the drawing from my side.
Even mine is complete. Even I have completed it.
See, the 3 of us have made a picture of the same staircase, seeing it from different sides. That's why each of our drawings look different.
Now I have understood what is 3-dimension, and that when you look at them from different sides, their shapes appear different.
Yes, but do you know that to draw the shape of 3D or 3-dimensional objects accurately, the drawing is made from 3 different sides, like the way we drew this staircase.
But what is this 3-sided drawing called?
One is called the top view, which tells us how an object will look if seen from the top.
This means my drawing is a top view of the staircase, which is a brown-colored rectangle, right?
Yes, Neha. In addition to the top view, there's another view, which is called the side view. In that, the object is drawn by looking at it from the right side.
So does this mean that the drawing you have made is a side view of the staircase, as you made the staircase seeing it from the right side of it?
Yes, you are right, Vandana.
I drew the staircase from the front. Uncle, which view would it be called?
Vandana, this will be called the front view.
That means when an object is seen from the front, then its front view will be visible.
Yes, and that's why Vandana's drawing appears to be different from our drawings.
Yes, this is a colorful rectangle.
So, did you understand? This is the front view of the staircase, this is the side view, and this is the top view. What did you understand?
Now I have fully understood that all objects are three-dimensional. The three dimensions are width, height, and depth. Because of this, objects appear to be of different shapes when viewed from different sides. To understand the exact shape of an object, one must look at it from three sides, from the top, front, and from the right side. While looking at an object from the top, then the top view of the object appears. The front view of the object is visible when viewed from the front. And the side view of an object appears when viewed from the right side.
Very well said, children. Now you both play and I'll do my work.
Okay, Papa. We will go and play and we'll tell everyone about 3D in school tomorrow.